The Honeywell 9900 BTU portable air conditioning, fan, and dehumidifier is a 3-in-1 unit offering powerful all-in-one cooling. The powerful cooling gives you relief in the spring and summer. The dehumidifier is perfect for humid days and can remove up to 60 pints over the course of 24 hours with a continuous drain system for longer unattended operation. And the fan has been added for everyday comfort. This sleek, compact design will fit into any modern home and provides cooling for rooms up to 450 square feet with an adjustable thermostat range between 61 and 88 degrees Fahrenheit. This AC unit produces as few as 48 decibels during operation, allowing you to get a good night's rest using the quiet sleep mode, and has 3 fan speeds to choose from. On the top of the unit, you'll find the Feather Touch controls. On the front, the Mirage LED display. And this unit comes with a full-function remote control with LCD display. For more information or to purchase this product, visit www.honeywellstore.com.